Hey guys, Panda Game. Something happened to my voice. Hey guys, Panda Gamer here, and today I am showing you how we could build a modern wooden house just with a few, in step by step. It's really easy, guys. No frustration, and it's easy and it looks good. So in part 1 we did the layout. Part 2 we did some rooms. But part 3, it's gonna be pretty short because all I have to do is the living room and stuff. Yeah. So here's what we did in part 2. We did the kitchen. We did a bedroom. Yeah. And also some storage. Yeah, that. Yeah, so this episode is gonna be really short. So what you're gonna do is, okay, well, first of all, I have to explain what materials you need to build this. So what you need, you go to this. So what you need is a painting. So you just bring it down. And also where you want to get it is here. With the bed, the torch, and the water bucket. Go to the second row and just go to go like right here under the furnace. Yeah, so you just go right there. Also the 7th one to make it easier. Okay, so you get your painting and your stairs, what I have right there, the smooth quartz stairs. So you just take your painting and you just place it right there. But what I'd suggest is a 3x3, but to make it easier, you want to take that, and you could just, you could have any painting you want. I want a bigger one. No, I want a big one. Oh, oops, wrong button. There we go. So, help. Come on, man. Cooperate with me. Dang it, wrong button again. Yeah, so what you have to do, you just have to put a painting anywhere you want. But here or there, whatever. Actually, I'll do here, cause yeah. So you can just take a painting, put it right there. Here, it's the spider movie. The spider is going into a potion. There's a guy looking at a spider. He's like, what the? Oh well. But if you want to look like an actual TV, you have to have a you have to go to the city pack. Yeah, you need that. So if you wanted to look realistic, you could do that. And so now you could just put the stairs like this, 3x1, but don't have this. No, that's not what I mean. You could do that for a bathtub if you want to have that. And also so this one, we're just gonna do we're just gonna change up the floor and change up the floor, and then there's the leaves outside to do. Yeah, so we could just put leaves outside, but that's an option. You don't have to. Yeah, so now you just have to put it here, like this, like a little L. So put it in an L shape, like that. Basically like this. Okay. And now Like, you can add a decoration here, and you could probably just do, like, take smooth quartz slab, like, probably get a flower pot or a mob skull, like, maybe a Steve. Oh, I'm just gonna get this stuff. But keep the leaves, because we're gonna do something else that later. As I said. Like, you could probably just take a flower pot, do whatever you want, but as I said, that's an option. Yeah. But I'm just gonna do it right now for a demonstration of what you could do. So just, no. But I love purple, so I'm just gonna take that and just take your slab, place it there. And you can probably just put your flowers there. Just place it in there. Sorry. There. So you can just do that. Steve likes flowers. Yeah. I hope he's not allergic to pollen. Because if he is, I'm sorry, Steve. I'm very sorry. So just do that after this. So now we are done with the living room. Like, you can add stuff to it. Your choice. Doesn't matter what you do. So now we are just going to change the flooring. But this is also a choice. If you want to keep it, go ahead. You should keep it how it is, but I am going to change it. So now you just have to get out this stuff. But you don't have to do the stuff that it basically already covers. Like the furnace, you don't have to do under that. So now you just have to dig all this up really quick. Yeah. But the beds, it might be a little harder, so that's why you have to focus. But if you're like doing it like how I'm doing it, probably like do like the furthest first, and then you just work your way back. That's what I should do. Cause then if you do like back to front, then it's just gonna be really hard to put in like the front. So I'm just digging this up really quick. Dang it. Yeah. The doors, yeah. Like, it may break. So, yeah. So you kind of have to just get it. So just get it. But it's fine though. Yeah, I'll replace that later. So now since you have this, like, okay, well first you can move out. And also guys, this is going to be the final episode. So like, so when you're, yeah. But when you're done, you could always add a pool, add whatever you want. Yeah. But I might add a pool. But that's your choice, you don't have to if I do. Yeah, you know. Yeah, so now you just want to place these leaves anywhere, any type of leaf you want, but I'm doing oak leaves. Yeah, so now you just gotta place these leaves all around the house. All around. But don't block the door and don't like put it in front of that. No. Yeah, so well first just nice. So this is going to be a probably like short 10-minute video. Yeah. Like yeah, so here is your house. So now this is how it is. Let's do a quick tour of it. Hold on. Settings. Video. First right hand. HUD. Yeah, but since I'm on the laptop, I could easily get it back. So this is your house. May as well also take a screenshot. Oh, I'll do it after. Okay, so here's your house. So here's the living room, the kitchen, bedroom, it's a little bit of storage. This is it. Also, remember to add a light wherever you want, so that's why I'm not doing it in the video. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's the end. Well guys, that is the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!